up, Priceless fam, and thanks so much for stopping by for today's video. Well, I am still on my 2023 house update series. This time, it's all about my entryway. Using my buffet table when you open the door to have something that's welcoming and inviting and aesthetically pleasing. So, today, it's all about the entryway. Let's get it. Let's go. This buffet was my Facebook Marketplace find. An older couple was deciding that they needed to downsize, and they purchased this buffet and never even used it. It still had the plastic inside for under $300. So just raise your hands if you're sad because Tuesday morning is closing. I know. Just raise both hands. So if you're new here, let me introduce myself to you. I am Katrina. I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And I love just sharing my life with you here on YouTube. Well, as you can see by the intro, I love home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and so much more. If these are things that interest you, you already know what to do. Go ahead and become a part of my growing YouTube family. I would love to have you. So join right now. So I went back to the drawing board and decided I needed height, but not that much height. So I found my mirrored tray, and then I also decided that this floral arrangement needed just a touch of greenery. And then I remembered I had these candlesticks that match my lamp to a T. So I went and I pulled those out. And these are my Christmas candles, but you know, I use them anyway. This entryway table, it's not over the top or extremely elaborate. However, I think it's yet simple and beautiful. And the only item I purchased is that medallion from Home Goods, proving once again mixing and matching and pulling decor pieces from one room to another can give your space a new look and stay within budget. If this video motivates or inspires you in any way, I would love to hear it. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. I love to chat with you down there. So I have a few more videos left in my summer 2023 home update series. Join me on Thursday at 6:00 p.m. when we go to my family room. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, both at The Priceless Pearl Life. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.